Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Let's continue filling the sketchbook spread with fantasy moss covered objects with my favorite medium gouache. So bring your art supplies and paint along with me, or bring your cup of coffee or snacks and enjoy watching the video. Starting off with a vintage looking throne covered with moss and flowers, I'm using a watered down gouache for the first layer to match the values and colors close to the reference image possible, and gradually building up the layers with creamier consistency. I just randomly choose reference image that looks whimsical and attracted me to paint, but after sketching each object, a story suddenly pop up in my head and the spread become even more meaningful by connecting all those objects. Should I share the story or not? Okay, I will. Just for you guys. Just imagine a forest witch who loves forest and all the living beings in it become the protector of the forest from the evil. People love the witch because she is kind, lovely, and help people around when they got sick by giving the healing potions. She also kind to animals and even trees. But only few people knows about her presence and can read the direction sign to the witch house when they are in real need. One day, the witch went out for a stroll in the forest in her magical broomstick. The weather was so good, she enjoyed the ride. So she flew far away and saw few trees cut abruptly and some are damaged even beyond repair. She didn't know the cause. The one thing that came to the witch mind is to help the trees. The trees are much older, stronger, and had a wider trunk. For example, if 20 people stand close to each other in circle form, that's how wide it is. Her mind got confused because no one can damage such strong trees in this forest. But keeping all those thoughts aside, now she needed a powerful healing potion to help the trees. She used her magical wand to make the cauldron suddenly appear from the thin air and started brewing a powerful healing potion she ever made. She teleported her treasure chest, which hold all the potions, herbs, and valuable ingredients to brew the strongest potion. The potion is brewing and it need at least 2 days to get it ready because it includes lot of process. The sun is going to set and it's getting pretty dark. She found the overgrown lantern nearby, which is unused over a long period of time, and illuminated it with the power of her wand. She also found a moss covered yet beautiful throne. She cleaned and sat on the throne. The throne felt very comfortable to her. So she slept for a few hours. That's it, guys. This was the story that got to my mind and I let it all out. I don't know if it's good or not, but personally, I think the story has a lot more potential to continue. What do you guys think? On a side note, I'm not a story writer by any chance. I'm just an artist who loves to paint fantasy and whimsical stuff. I also have a few more questions for you guys. What kind of art videos you usually enjoy to watch in a long format? Should I make more painting tutorial videos or just share the painting process with calm and relaxing music, or chat and paint with me kind of video like this one, or art challenge video? And should I make it with or without voiceover? Do you guys enjoy my voiceover or is it boring? Because I'm new to this voiceover stuff and I don't know if people like it or not. So please let me know in the comments and I really need an answer for this question. So I will stop yapping here so you can watch the rest of the video in peace and see you in the end. At first, I only sketched up to the tree, but as I thought about the story behind the painting, I realized adding a broomstick would make the scene more meaningful and help complete the story. And I also trying to develop the habit of noting down the color palette of each painting, because if I paint anything from imagination, I can choose any of these color palette that match with the painting. Finally, I use this fixative to seal my gouache paintings and protect it from accidental water splashes. That's it, guys. Thanks for watching till the end. See you soon in the next one. Until then, bye bye.